Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear secondary students, today we will start next topic of chapter number 13, color code for carbon resistances. What is resistance? Resistance, the opposition in the flow of current, is known as resistance. When you think about resistance, you feel that it is not a good thing, as it provides opposition in the flow of current. But always remember, dear students, resistance is offered by some resistors. Okay, the devices which offer resistance are known as resistors, and resistors are important component to the flow of current in electronic circuits. Okay, so what is the importance of resistors? They are very important component for electronic circuits, right? Different forms of resistors are available in market, having different colors coding, just like you can see in this diagram. The first color is red. There are 4 bands, first, second, third and 4. In this resistor there are 4 bands present here. First one is red color, second one is violet color, third one orange and fourth one is silver. Just like I have drawn on the page, you can see clearly. Suppose this is a carbon resistor made up of carbon. Okay, resistors are made up of different materials, and most commonly which are more effective are made up of carbon, so they are known as carbon resistors. There are 4 bands, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First band is having red color, second band yellow color, third orange and fourth one is suppose it is silver color. So how can we calculate the resistance with the help of color coding? Always remember, first band represent first digit, just like in this figure. First color is red. Now look carefully, as in this diagram 13.12, first band represent first digit. First band, the color of first band represent first digit. So here is in this carbon resistor, first color is red. So in this table, color coding value is given here. First color you have red color, so red color value is 2. So it means your first digit is 2. I am writing here, first digit is 2. And in this figure, second, the color of second band also represents second digit. Second color is yellow. What is the value of yellow color? 4. Okay, this second band also represent digit, so it means fourth digit. What we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate the value of resistance. And what about third one? The third color, the band of the color of third band represent number of zeros. In this diagram, in this carbon resistor, the third color is orange. Orange color value is 3. It represents value number of zeros, so it means 3 0. 1, 2 and 3. 24,000 now. And fourth band represent, I have this fourth band is, suppose it is silver color. I am writing here it is fourth, while fourth band represent tolerance. टॉलरेंस का मीन होता है कि प्लस माइनस, बस द रेंज. वाइल द फोर्थ कलर, या फोर्थ कलर ना डिजिट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जैसे हमने पहले बात की, नंबर ऑफ फर्स्ट डिजिट, सेकंड डिजिट, नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़. ओके, ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? जो हमारे पास ये आ गया फर्स्ट डिजिट है, सेकंड डिजिट, नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़, इन्हें रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करता. फोर्थ बैंड रिप्रेजेंट टॉलरेंस. टॉलरेंस मीन अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाट्स द रेंज, यानी उसमें प्लस माइनस कितना हो सकता है, मिनिमम वैल्यू कहाँ तक हो सकती है और मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल वैल्यू कहाँ तक हमारी जा सकती है, रेंज क्या है. सपोज इन दिस गिवन कार्बन रेजिस्टर द फोर्थ बैंड रिप्रेजेंट सिल्वर कलर. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सिल्वर. सो व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ सिल्वर? इन केस ऑफ सिल्वर ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द टॉलरेंस इज 10%, प्लस माइनस 10%. अब आपको यहाँ ये नहीं समझ आ रही प्लस माइनस, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लस माइनस 10%? आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल. For example, you have value for any carbon resistor is 1000 ohm. For example, 1000 ohm, right? If there is plus minus 10%, it means its range is from 900 ohm to 1100 ohm. Understand? I am repeating again. The fourth band represent tolerance. Tolerance means it tells about the range of the resistance. कि मिनिमम वैल्यू कहाँ तक हो सकती है और मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल वैल्यू कहाँ तक जा सकती है. इफ़ यू हैव अ रेजिस्टर और हैविंग रेजिस्टेंस 10,000 and it has silver color band, so it means this resistor has tolerance of 10%, as silver represent 10% tolerance, right? And 10% of 10,000 it means 900 to 1100, यानी मिनिमम इसकी 900 हो सकती है और मैक्सिमम इसकी 1100 हो सकती है, क्योंकि 10% इसमें ऐड भी करना है, 10% इसमें से माइनस भी करना है. ठीक है जी. So in this way you can easily calculate color coding for carbon resistances. With the help of color coding you can easily calculate the resistance of any given resistor. I have given you the concept of this complete topic. Now read this topic. Just like here, carbon resistors are most common in electronic equipment. As I have told you, we have discussed. They consist of a high grade ceramic rod or cone called a substrate on which is deposited a thin resistive film of carbon. The numerical value of their resistance is indicated by a color code, as we have discussed here. And with the help of this diagram, ULD code consists of 4 bands, as we have drawn in this diagram, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Start from left to right. We have started from left to right. This is left side and this one is right side. We have started from left to right. Now, by following these steps, we can easily calculate, and we have calculated the range of resistances. The first band indicate the first digit, as we have discussed in this diagram, in the numerical value of the resistance, and the second band gives the second digit, just like here. Second, red, yellow. Red value is 2 and yellow value is 4, and the third band represent number of zeros. Orange value is 3, so it represents 3 zeros here, while the fourth band gives resistance tolerance. Its color is either silver or gold. Silver band indicates a tolerance plus minus 10% and a gold represent प्लस माइनस 5%. और अगर दोनों ही ना हो, सिल्वर भी ना हो, गोल्ड भी ना हो, फिर उस कंडीशन में टॉलरेंस कितनी होगी? इफ़ देयर इज़ नो बैंड, सिल्वर बैंड भी नहीं है और आप पास गोल्डन भी नहीं है, तो फिर आपके पास जो टॉलरेंस होगी दैट शुड बी 20%. ओके. वी मीन द पॉसिबल वेरिएशन फ्रॉम द मार्क वैल्यू. ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करती है? मैंने बताया ये वेरिएशन रेंज को रिप्रेजेंट करती है, कितना वो वेरी कर सकता है, मिनिमम कितना जा सकता है और मैक्सिमम कहाँ तक हो सकता है. We have discussed this example. For example, a 1000 ohm resistor with a tolerance plus minus 10% will have an actual resistance anywhere between 900 ohm to 1100 ohm. Okay. Dear students, must learn this the all values of this color coding given in this table. Black color stands 0, brown 1, red 2, so on, and white 9. Learn this table very well. After learning the values of color coding in the table, solve this question. Question number 13.3. What are the resistances of the resistors given in the figure A and B? In figure A, from left to right, brown color first color represent first digit, green color second digit, red color shows number of zeros, and gold fourth band represent tolerance. Okay. While in second diagram, फर्स्ट कलर इज फ्रॉम लेफ़्ट टू राइट, लेफ़्ट से राइट की तरफ हम जाएंगे, सिल्वर से नहीं आपने आना. फर्स्ट कलर येलो कलर रिप्रेजेंट फर्स्ट डिजिट, जस्ट लाइक जो भी इसकी वैल्यू 3 है 4 है. सेकेंड कलर वाइट कलर, इट ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट डिजिट. थर्ड कलर ऑरेंज, इट रिप्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़, यानी अगर ये 4 है इसकी वैल्यू तो आपने 4 ज़ीरो लगाने हैं. अगर ऑरेंज की वैल्यू 2 है तो आपने 2 ज़ीरो लगाने हैं, और अगर इसकी वैल्यू 3 है तो आप 3 ज़ीरो इंसर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है जी. एंड सिल्वर कलर, इट रिप्रेजेंट टॉलरेंस. टॉलरेंस मीन यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरिएशन. नाउ सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन 13.3. इफ़ यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इट मीन्स you all concept topic is clear to you. You have no confusion in this topic. This topic is very very important according to short question. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.